Hi, welcome to my channel. Today's nails are inspired by the Queen of Hearts. So I started with this black polygel from Savvyland. I got it on Wish. It took forever, so maybe it'd be better to order from the website, but it's not completely opaque, so I just mixed in some black gel polish. On the left side you can see the before and the right is after mixing in the black polish. So I just have some stiletto tips that I got on Amazon. Then I'm adding some white polygel from Model Ones and a red polygel from, I think it's pronounced Bryn Mawr, but it's like a subset of Savvyland. And then I'm adding the black, and I'm kind of going for like a tie-dye marble. And I add some base coat gel to help smooth it down, and I kind of just, swirl them together, pat it down. For this finger, I added some base coat gel, and then I added some red glitter. Then I added the clear polygel from the cart, and I capped the glitter. I also capped the thumb. I'm not sure where that footage went. And I'll have all the links to the products down below. For the middle finger, I was trying to do like a vertical ombre, so I added black and I smoothed that out, and I tried to fade it towards the middle. Then I added the white on the other side, and I smoothed that out as well. And I wasn't really focused on getting it perfectly blended because I was just gonna put glitter in the middle. Here I'm just adding that red glitter between the black and the white, and then I cap it with clear polygel afterwards. On the next finger, I added some base coat gel, and I added these black, red, and white hearts. And it was what actually inspired me to create this look. So I just did the pinky the same as the thumb. This is before filing, and here's after filing with the top, adding the top coat, and I added these little heart charms that I got on Etsy from a shop called Darling Doll Charms. And I actually did this set about a month ago, and this was my first stiletto set, and I think it came out pretty well. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching.